Kochi IAS Study Circle, the best academy for competitive examination.
First question, Tyndall effect. The question is about the Tyndall effect. It is the direct definition is the answer. What is the answer? Tyndall effect. C. ஒரு colloidal particlesல light beam ஓட travel எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்றது தான் Tyndall effect. Okay, friends. First question answer C. Have they provided the answer key with you? Second question. A geographical region has the following distinct characters. Eastern side of the region gets most rainfall during summer. In the world map, eastern side rainfall இருக்கிற countries எல்லாம் எது? Which are all the countries will get the eastern side rainfall? Okay, South America. Super. India. Africa will also get the eastern side rainfall. Okay, with very hot summers and cold winters account for large temperature ranges. In that region, the winter season will be the extreme one, and also the summer season will be very extreme. With respect to Tamil Nadu, what is the temperature range? We will face extreme winter and extreme summer? No. But Delhi, they will be facing extreme summer and extreme winter. That's the state of climate they have been defined. With respect to Delhi, what are all the regions are there in so with respect to that, Central Asia will face extreme summer and also extreme winter. Okay, with the first two statements itself we can finalize that the answer is B, Central Asia. Next factual question. Bonla Wildlife Sanctuary, Netraveli Wildlife Sanctuary, Kodigavon and Mathai Wildlife Sanctuary. Where it is placed? Which state? Goa. For all the options, it will be Goa, right? Okay. Next, fourth question. The chemical properties of an element depends upon. What is the answer, friends? The number of isotopes of the element. Is it correct? First one, wrong. What is meant by isotopes? What are all called as isotopes? Chemical compounds. Isotopes are the elements which contains same number of mass number. What is mass number? Same number of protons and same number of electrons. Sorry, neutrons. Same number of protons and same number of neutrons. Elements that contain same number of protons and neutrons. These are called isotopes. Nucleus will be protons and neutrons. Electrons will be revolving around in an atom, electrons will be revolving around the nucleus. Okay, electrons will be revolving around. So isotopes will have same number of protons and neutrons. What is the mass number of an element? How will you find out the mass number of an element? With using these protons, electrons and neutrons. Mass number is the total number of protons plus neutrons. Protons plus neutrons is the mass number. Okay. Such basic science questions we can always expect it from UPSC. And which of the following is a double landlocked country? Only two countries in the world are double landlocked. What is meant by double landlocked? Landlocked by only two countries. No. What is meant by double landlocked? Try out. ஒரு country இன்னொரு countryயால full landlocked. Okay. Partly correct. The explanation is in order to connect with the sea. Okay, not any ocean waters. If the country needs to connect with the ocean waters, it should cross two country borders. Without crossing two countries, that particular country cannot enter into ocean waters. Okay, it doesn't include Caspian Sea or Black Sea. Those two are not ocean waters, right? Okay, country will have two countries in between the country and the ocean waters. Only two countries in the world are double landlocked. What are all the countries? One is in Central Asia and another is in Europe. Uzbekistan. The answer is Uzbekistan. The another one is Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein and Uzbekistan. Okay, friends. Only two countries in the world are double landlocked. One is Uzbekistan and another one is Liechtenstein. Go on, whenever you are reading any map related information in newspaper or else in your NCERT books, wherever it is, you should have your atlas on your side. Okay, please refer your atlas. Only that time it will catch the picture memory, and you will be knowing it and you can remember it. Or else you can. Everybody are having the atlas, right? Okay, the country should pass through two countries to enter into ocean waters. Enter into ocean waters. There will be Caspian Sea. It's not Aral Sea, I said ocean waters. Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Aral Sea and all not ocean waters. That's why I told you. Okay. Yeah. Listen first, ma'am. I have already mentioned that ocean water. Okay. And then next one, Konkani official language of Goa was added in which of the following amendments? Which one is correct? 71st. What are all the languages added along with Konkani? Super. Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. Konkani, Manipuri and Nepal. What are all these? What are all these? Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. Where it got added? Official language. These are all the official languages. 8 scheduled languages. They are scheduled languages. They are not official languages. Okay. Official language is Hindi and English only. There is no any other official language. Actually, official language, there is a article, and that article says Hindi may continue as official language. We can add any language as official language, but English is the main language. Okay, English and Hindi is the official state language. Official language means what? The documents and the government publications will be in that language. Okay. There is no national language, but there is an official language. There are differences between official language and national language. There is no national language for English, but there is official language. Okay. And then, how many languages are there in the scheduled language? 8 scheduled languages. How many languages? 22. Super. Initially, during the 14 languages. So, the first added language after the constitution entering into force, which language is that? Sindhi. 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967. Write it down over there. Sindhi. In your question paper, the first option is 21st Constitutional Amendment Act, right? Near to it, write Sindhi. And next, in 71st Constitutional Amendment Act, Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali. And then 92nd Amendment Act, what are all the languages? Bodo Tangri, Maithili and Santali. BDMS. 7th question, consider the following statements regarding Narcotics Control Bureau. Okay, Narcotics Control Bureau. they will be asking question about important national agencies, and National Narcotics Bureau is an important national agency. National Narcotics Control Bureau comes under which ministry? Home Affairs. Okay. Eliminate option 3 because there it is given it functions under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. That is wrong. It is Ministry of Home Affairs. If you eliminate 3, you will get the answer. UPSC will have few questions, 5 to 6 questions like this. Okay. If you are not knowing anything about Narcotics Control Bureau, don't skip the question and go away. Okay. Please read all the options in the answer. When you are reading the options, you will be having a clear-cut idea that definitely it will not come under chemicals and fertilizers. Maybe you have the doubt that it will be coming under Home Affairs or PMO or something else, but definitely it will not come under chemicals and fertilizers. You will be having that instinct. So with that instinct, you can correctly answer this question. So don't leave as it is reading that question. Read fully. Okay. Even a small information with you will fetch you the answer correct. Next one, with reference to minimum support price. What is minimum support price? Minimum support price. What is this? Super. Government will procure the agricultural product in this price. For what minimum support price is provided? Why government is procuring from the farmers at a price? More crops. So there will be market. They can sell over in the market. Why government is securing farmers' market? In payment it will be helpful. Okay. To protect the farmers' income, minimum income. Okay. The point is, if a farmer sows paddy in his field for 10,000 rupees. Okay. But during the sowing season, uh, he will be investing 10,000, or he will be investing 5,000 for 5,000 labor, around 10,000. That is the total investment. Okay. So at the end of the cultivation, he will be going for the brokers, okay, and other merchants. In the time period, they will not be giving that 10,000 rupees. They will be bargaining. Okay, if government machinery is there and they are assured that MSP will provide 1.5 times profit, 1.5 times profit for the farmer. It is assured under MSP. In that case, the other private merchants, they will not price below the MSP. If they are pricing below the MSP, then obviously farmers will be selling it to the government. And also, if the situation is not good, no private players will buy it. Such situation, private players will not buy it. First statement, MSP is declared by government once in every 5 years. Is it is right? No, every year before the sowing season, has been provided. It is an incentive to farmers for increasing crop production. It will be true now. If there is a government support, farmers will be sowing more. So, at least 1.5 times of the cost has been provided under MSP. Who decides the MSP? How many crops are there under MSP in India? Minimum support price benefit is given to how many crops? Is it is given to only Rabi crop or only Kharif crops? Both Rabi and Kharif crops. Super. How many crops? Is there any commercial crops inside the MSP venture? Yes. There is commercial crops also. Cotton, jute and sugarcane. Okay. CACP. Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. This is the agency, central agency, which decides the MSP for the crops. Around 23 crops are given MSP support in India. 23 crops. 7 cereals, pulses, 5 pulses, oil seeds, and 4 commercial crops. Okay. Which of the following refers to a system? Ninth question, friends. Which of the following system refers to agriculture where a single crop is grown on a large area? Plantation. Okay, tea, coffee, rubber. You can see state a lot of examples. Plantation, agriculture. B is the answer. So tenth question. The process of copying genetic information from one strand of DNA into RNA is termed as transcription. Super friends. What is even a mutation? There is a option called mutation. What is mutation? Changes in cells. DNA sequence. Cells, interior to cells, it is gene. So inside ultimately there will be a change in DNA sequence. Okay, that is called mutation. And if you want 11th question, if you want to see Asiatic lions in their natural habitat, which one of the following is the best place to visit? This is a direct NCERT question. Gir Forest National Park. Option C. Where is Gir Forest National Park? Gujarat. Arrange the following capitals from east to west. Which is the answer, friends? Bishkek is the capital of which country? Okay, Ashgabat. Ashgabat. Whether they have given it in the key or not. Turkmenistan. All are Central Asia countries. Okay. Tashkent. Uzbekistan. Option A is right. Okay. You will have Bishkek at the easternmost. Next to it, it will be Tashkent, and next to it, it will be Dushanbe, and next to it, it will be Ashgabat. When you are seeing the atlas, you will have a doubt that whether Tashkent is near or Ashgabat is near. Okay, but Google it and see. There will be a difference over it. So first easternmost is Bishkek, and then Tashkent, and then Dushanbe, and then Ashgabat. Okay. 13th question. Fugdi, Dulpod, Dalavo are famous art forms located in which of the following states? Goa is the right answer. Goa. 14th one. The poverty line is estimated periodically by conducting sample surveys. These surveys are conducted by poverty line. National Sample Survey Organization, NSSO. A is the answer, friends. And then, which of the following is the largest public sector undertaking in the country? What? Super. Indian Railways is the largest public sector undertaking. Sixth question. Mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, lysosomes. Okay, friends. Which is the energy producing unit of human body? Mitochondria. So ATP formation will be there at mitochondria. And then chloroplast, photosynthesis. You well know about it. Next, ribosomes, protein synthesis. Lysosomes, intercellular digestion. Okay, these are all the basic forms of cellular. Okay, these kind of questions you should take. And then Central Asian countries bordering Caspian Sea. What are all the countries, friends? Borders Caspian Sea. What are all the countries bordering Caspian Sea? I didn't ask what are all the given countries are bordering Caspian Sea. I asked what are all the countries bordering Caspian Sea. Okay, this is the code. Karthi. Turkmenistan, Iran. Okay, wow. So Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Russia, Turkmenistan. Sorry. Okay, Turkey. Sorry. Turkey. இல்ல பாருங்க டர்க்மெனிஸ்தான் தான் வரும். சாரி, டர்க்கி வராது. டர்க்மெனிஸ்தான் தான் வரும். Turkmenistan and Iran. So here 1 and 3 are the options. Turkmenistan and Kazakhstan. இதே போல Black Sea will have a code. Anybody having any code for Black Sea? Caspian Sea and Black Sea are the two important geographical locations favorite for UPSC. They will always ask any questions from it. Okay, GRT brew. GRT brew for Black Sea. Okay, go and find it in the atlas. What are all the countries? Denotes GRT brew. Okay, GRT brew is the code for Caspian Sea. Black Sea. Karthi is the code for Caspian Sea. And then 18th question, which one of the following is the leading iron ore exporting port in India? Mormugao port. Over 50% of India's total export is done here. Over 50% of, and an approx 50% of India's iron ore export is done here in Mormugao port only. Okay, next 19th question. Consider the following statements regarding Raman Magasai Award. It was established in 1957 and is considered as Asia's premier prize and highest honor. Is it right, friends? First statement is right. It is given twice in a year to individuals or organizations in Asia. Is it right? It is given to anyone. Okay, not only individuals and organizations in Russia. It is given to any individuals or organization of the world, but that persons or organization should work for the welfare of Asia. Okay, where it is located, which country is is giving this Raman Magasai Award? Which country? He is the president. He is the third president of that country. Raman Magasai is the third president of that country. Manila is the capital of which country? Philippines. Philippines is the answer. Okay. He is the third president of Philippines. And 28th question. Which of the following statements are not correct? They have been asked. So first statement is disguised unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. What it is called? Seasonal unemployment. Okay. And then unemployment is a situation under which employed people are contributing to production less than they are capable of. What it is? Disguised unemployment. It is also known as, that statement, second definition perfectly suits for underemployment. Okay, disguised unemployment is their production, their contribution to the production will be zero. Okay, what it is now? If there is a table over here, we need two persons to shift the table from here to there. Okay, only two persons can be worked in that process. But if there are four persons allotted to that work, then two persons are called disguised employers. They didn't contribute anything to the production or the productivity. Okay, they will not have their actual work. Only two persons work done by four persons means the two persons will be noted as disguised employees. That is called disguised. What is frictional unemployment? Frictional unemployment. Super. When some people are shifting from one job to another job, they will be unemployed for a particular time period. That is called frictional unemployment. So definition of all the unemployments is most needed. You should read it, friends. Next question. Permanent forest estates are maintained for the purpose of production, timber, and other forest produce. In this context, which of the following forests are classified as permanent estates? Permanent forest estates. Reserved forest, protected forest, and unclassed forest. Which one is correct, friends? Reserved and protected forests are called permanent forest estates. Okay, what is unclassed forest? What is unclassed forest? That is called community forest. Unclassed forest. Forest and wastelands. Write it down. Forest and wastelands of both private and government other than reserved and protected forests. All other forest lands other than reserved and protected forest areas are known as unclassed forest. It will have both private and the government lands. Okay. 22nd question. I think the question has been changed. Okay, it's a good question. Why is it preferable to wear two thin blankets joined together than one thick blanket in winter? During winter season, in trains and all, they will be giving two bedsheets. One will be a thin one, and another will be a thick one. Okay, so two bedsheets is ever preferable during cold seasons than a thick one. What is the reason? That is the question. What might be the reason, friends? You have provided the key, right? No. What will be the reason? Have you experienced it? This kind of questions now, it is like in day-to-day life. UPSC always fond of this kind of questions. Okay, they will be asking. So, what is the reason for having two thin bedsheets is better than a single thick bedsheet uh, during cold weather seasons? Yeah. Okay. If you are wearing a thick bedsheet, your feet will be going out. If you are having two thin bedsheets, your feet will not go out. What is the reason? Moderate. Okay. It will trap the. Okay, nothing. Have you read the principle of conduction? What is meant by conduction in physics? Conduction. Flow of heat from one place to another. When you're having a rod, the heat will be transformed from one tip to another tip. But if you're not touching the rod, you are having your rod near to that rod, you will feel the heat. What happens then? Why you didn't feel the heat of the rod? When you are touching it, you are feeling the heat. When you are not touching, when you are very near to it, you can keep your hand over there. What is the reason? What it is? What is there in between you and the rod? Air. That is the thing. Air, through air, the conduction of heat is not that much efficient. At times it will. When there is a more heat and you are standing it, you will be having warm air coming out of it. But air is not a good conductor of heat. So when you are having two bedsheets, the air trapped in between the two bedsheets, that will not conduct the cold from outside to inside. and also it will not have your body temperature. What that ma'am said is right. Okay, what she said is right. Your body temperature will not go out, because when you're having a thick bedsheet, that bedsheet will conduct your body heat to the outside environment. When you are having two thin bedsheets, the air medium between that two thin bedsheets will prevent your body heat to go away. Friends, can you understand? Okay, that is the reason. So answer is C. For 22, answer is C. And then 23, Tapi pipeline. For past few years, it is regularly in the newspapers. Tapi pipeline runs through which of the following countries? Tell me, friends. TAPI. Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India. But it has been stalled for now. Okay. Charawa Island, a marine protected area, is situated in which of the following state? Goa. Direct question. 25th question. The oceanic area up to 12 nautical miles from the coast, termed as territorial waters and resource therein, belongs to the nation. Is it right, friends? Yes, it is correct. So next, second question, second statement. The oceanic resources beyond 200 nautical miles of the exclusive economic zone belong to open ocean and can be utilized by any nation whenever required. Is it right? No, they should ask the permission of the in the international medium. Okay. And then 26th question. Which one of the following is an example of physical change? Which one? Boiling. Boiling of water is the physical change. All others comes under chemical changes. Which one of the following Central Asian countries are not part of Shanghai Cooperation? It is a wonderful question, friends. Usually, UPSC will be asking these kind of questions. You will be rushing and answering what? China is there. Okay, Uzbekistan is there. Turkmenistan is there. So what is the answer, friends? Turkmenistan will not be there. The answer is, how many countries are there in Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Totally, how many countries are there? Super. 8 countries. What are the countries that added, I think in 2017? What are all the 2 countries? India and Pakistan. Okay. Other than that, China, Russia, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, India, and Pakistan. And Uzbek. So Turkmenistan will not come under SCO. Okay. But here there is no option for China. China is not a Central Asian country, friends. Okay, wow. So North Central Asian countries தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. What is the question, sir? Central Asian countries le edula China illannu ketirukanga. So China is not a Central Asian country. This is to store it. People will be adding it to the Central Asian countries. Okay. Which of the following Central Asian countries are not the part of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Okay. China, Kazakh, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan. So China is not a Central Asian country. Okay. The question must be asked as which of the following Central Asian countries are the part of Shanghai Cooperation, and they should have given China. Sorry, friends. 27th question is wrong. Okay. The question should be framed as which of the following Central Asian countries are part of Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Okay. In that, the answer will be only Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. 2 and 3. Okay. Remove the not from the question. Then the answer is, what is the answer, friends? Now, what is the answer now? Remove the not from that question. Okay. Okay. Change it to this question. 27th question. The question is wrong. They should have given not, removed not from the question, and the answer is B. Okay. 2 and 3. Why I'm changing the question and giving it now? When you are reviewing this question, this type of questions will be asking you. UPC regularly asks these type of questions. They will be confusing you with words. You know that China is a part of SCO, but in a hurry, you will not read that the question is asked about Central Asian countries. Okay. Yeah. No, no, Central Asian countries. When you are denoting, UN has denoted Central Asian countries, and in that Central Asia countries, China is not. China is an Asian country. Okay, and South Asia, Southeast Asia, everything has been mentioned under UN. You can go and refer to it. Okay. And then, which of the following state is the oldest and largest cotton textile industry in India? It is the state where highest number of cotton textile mills are there in India, Maharashtra. Consider the following statements. 29th question. Consider the following statements regarding high yield variety seeds. High yield variety seeds require less amount of water. Is it true, friends? No. Only because of the high yielding variety seeds, Punjab, Haryana areas have been affected with groundwater deficiency. Okay. First statement is wrong. These seeds don't require chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Second statement is also wrong. The high varieties of wheat and rice have been the key elements in green revolution. It is right, friends. So option 3. 30th question. Which of the following can be classified as culturable wasteland? Which one, friends? It is a direct question with regarding to definition. Option C is the answer. A land which is uncultivated for more than 5 agricultural years is called culturable wasteland. And then, which of the following statements about transport mechanism in plants is correct? Cells conserve energy, and no energy is required for the transport of ions and small molecules against concentration of gradient. You can now read diffusion of ions and small molecules across cell membrane requires energy. First question is, first statement is wrong. Okay. C is the correct answer. Cells conserve energy, and no energy is required for the transport of ions and small molecules against concentration gradient. So Aral Sea is located between which two countries, friends? Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Option B is correct. And which state leads in the number of GI tag products? Karnataka. D is answer. And then second state is Tamil Nadu. First state is Karnataka. Second highest number of GI tag acquired state is Tamil Nadu. Which of the following factors is considered in preparing Human Development Report of United Nations Development Program? Which are all the friends? All the above. Which of the following Indus Valley sites are situated in Gujarat? Which one, friends? A, 1, 2, 3. And Rakhigarhi is situated in which state? Haryana. Super. Rakhigarhi is situated in Haryana. Surkotada, Lothal, and Dholaibira are located in Gujarat. Consider the following statements regarding black soil. 36th question. It is ideal for growing cotton and is also known as the black cotton soil. Is it right, friends? Black soil is suitable for cotton cultivation. That is why Maharashtra and the regions of Tamil Nadu are the states which grows more number of cotton. Tamil Nadu, in Tamil Nadu, except Nilgiris, all the areas are having black soil in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So these soils are generally rich in phosphoric contents. True, friends. They are well known for their capacity of holding moisture. During the dry seasons, you can find that the black soil areas will be having more number of cracks. Okay, it is because they will be having more number of water content, moisture. They can hold more number of moisture in them, and during the summer season, these black soils are the soils which gets dry after a long period of time. Okay. Consider the following statements. The soils in the hill regions are known as what soils? Hill regions. Hilly areas. Soils in hilly areas. Laterite soil. The soils at the riverbeds, alluvial soils. Consider the following statements about the geothermal energy. It is the thermal energy contained in the rock and the fluid in the earth's crust. Is it right, friends? So the third statement is wrong. Actually, the extraction of geothermal energy is cheaper. The only problem is they are not situated at one place in abundant. They are very scattered and are very limited in that area. That is the reason. Our reason we cannot utilize geothermal as a main source of energy. The extraction of geothermal energy is cheap, but they are very scattered and limited. So, third statement, geothermal power is very expensive, they have said. That is not true. Answer is 1 and 2. The only Central Asian country which borders with all other Central Asian countries, Uzbekistan. Earth. Malvan Marine Protected Area is located in which of the following states? Direct question, friends. Maharashtra. So 40 analytical question. Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to May. Is it right, friends? So during the winter season, they will be sowing Rabi crops. And right before that summer season, they will be cultivating. Okay. During the summer season, what kind of crops have been sown? Southwest monsoon season. Kharif crops. Okay. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of the monsoon in different parts of the country, and these are harvested in September and October. Okay. Monsoon season is June, right? In June, the southwest monsoon starts. During that period, a little before that period, they will be sowing the Kharif crops. So consider the following statements about the mutation. Mutation result from either due to damage to DNA or to RNA genomes only. Is it right, friends? First statement. Whenever there is a only in the statement, you should look it very carefully. Okay. So other than that of mutation can be created due to the errors in the process of replication or from the insertion or deletion of segments of DNA by mobile genetic elements. It is not only the fault of RNA or DNA replications. Okay. So statement 1 is wrong. Statement 2, mutations may or may not produce desirable changes in the observable characters of an organism. It is true, friends. Most of the mutated qualities will not be exposed. There might be a change in that DNA sequence, but that will not get exposed. They will be mutated, but that mutated character will not get exposed. So, don't think that the mutations means the exact things what Marvel movies are showing. It's not the mutation. Okay. So 41, answer B, 2 only right. And then 42, Tajikistan is bordered by which of the following countries? Which are all the countries borders Tajikistan, friends? Is it borders with India? India borders. Which are all the countries bordering India? Pakistan, Afghan, China, China அப்புறம் நேபாள், நேபாளுக்கு முன்னாடி பூட்டான் வருமா? பூட்டான், Bangladesh, Myanmar. Okay. So one has been eliminated. Always try to answer through elimination. Okay. No, D is the wrong answer. Answer is B. Answer is B. In key they have given us D, na? Okay, it is wrong. Kindly change it. Eliminate one. Atlas பாருங்க. Pakistan also not borders Tajikistan. Only Afghan borders Tajikistan. Afghan, Turkestan, Afghan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan. These are all the 4 countries which borders Tajikistan. Note down, friends. Countries bordering Tajikistan: Afghan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan, and China. And China. Change the option Pakistan to China, or else 3, 4. There is no options, right? Okay, friends. The countries bordering Tajikistan is Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, China, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan. The question is wrong, friends. Kindly note down the bordering countries of Tajikistan. That is enough. So Navari, a single 9-yard sari is native to which of the following state? Navari, Maharashtra. A, friends. Navari, Maharashtra. A. So Article 371A deals with which of the special provisions of which of the following states? Nagaland. So based on ownership, firms are classified into public and private sectors. So statement 1, private sectors ownership of assets and delivery of services is in the hands of private individuals or companies. In the public sector, the government owns most of the assets and provide all the services. Okay. At times, you may not read anything about private or public sectors. So without reading what is given in the questions, don't skip the question. Okay. When you are reading it, you can get the idea that it is right. 46. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to pulses? These are the major sources of protein in vegetarian diet. Pulses are the sources of protein. Okay. So pulses need high moisture and survive even in all conditions. Is it right, friends? Pulses doesn't need high moisture. In high moistures, pulses crops will get spoiled. Okay. 1 and 3 are the right options. Question number 47. Consider the following statements about Escherichia E. coli bacteria. Okay. It is a rod-shaped bacterium commonly found in the lower intestine of warm-blooded organisms. In humans also, it is there. E. coli will be in our lower intestine. Okay, lot of images you might have seen. Okay. E. coli. Most E. coli strands do not cause diseases. True only when the E. coli content, the number of E. coli bacterium increases, then it will give a stomach upset or food poisoning issues and all. So E. coli is a very versatile host for the production of heterologous proteins. True friends, all the above. All the statements are correct. Then 48th question, Pamir Knot is a unique geographical feature which refers to convergence of some of the world's major mountain ranges situated in which of the following Central Asian countries? Pamir Knot. Tajikistan. Okay. Which of the following state is known as Jewel of Western India? Gujarat, friends. These are all NCERT based questions directly taken from the NCERTs. Multinational companies will promote employment opportunities, technology transfer, and improve foreign investment. Consider, friends, all the above. Okay, whenever there is an multinational company coming into our, for example, we can take Kony Elevators, the lift company, Kony Elevators. When they enter into our business, the entire designing features of elevator companies in India got changed. The Johnson and Johnson and other Indian companies, they adapted the designing and the modern features of safety measures of that Kony elevators. Okay, so employment opportunities increases, technology transfer happens, and also improve the foreign investments. Consider the following statements regarding coal. Coal is found in a variety of forms depending on the degrees of compression and the depth and the time of burial. It is true, friends. Coal gets changed with the coal quality, and that nature gets changed with respect to the depth and time of burial. Lignite is a low grade brown coal, and bituminous coal is the highest quality of hot coal. Is it true, friends? Which it is high quality? Anthracite. Okay, so which statement is incorrect? They have taken asked about the not correct statements. C is not correct. 3 only is not correct. So consider the following statements. 52. Consider the following statements relating to thermoplastic. The material that can be deformed permanently by heat and pressure is a thermoplastic. Is it true, friends? First statement defines thermo. Thermo. Thermostat. So, okay. So first statement, it is not thermoplastic. So 2 and 3 is right. Here you can see, friends, these are all easy questions. When you are eliminating one option, you will get the answer. According to Indian Constitution, the purpose of an adjournment motion is option A, to allow the discussion on a definite matter of urgent public importance. 54th question, the state of Gujarat in India is known for which of the following? Largest producer of salt in India. Which state is the largest producer of salt? This is Gujarat. Sure about it. Okay, largest producer of groundnut. Gujarat. All three are right statements. There's no change in the key. Okay. So salt, groundnut, and cotton are largely produced in the state of Gujarat. Which of the following sectors' contribution to GDP remains almost same before and after 1991? Why they are asking before and after 1991? Economic reforms, 1991 LPG reforms. Okay, so which sector? Mostly not secondary sector. But they said that there will be a great change in secondary sector. Please implement LPG reforms. But after implementing the LPG reforms, there is no other change in secondary sector. So 56th question. Hydroelectricity is generated by fast flowing water, which is a non-renewable resource. Is it is a non-renewable resource? Water. It is a renewable resource. That is the wrong one. It is a renewable resource. First statement is wrong. Second statement is correct. Friends. Thermal electricity is generated by using coal, petroleum, and natural gas. So usually when we are in examination hall, we will be reading in a hurry. Don't read in a hurry manner. Okay. Hydroelectricity is generated by fast flowing water. Yeah, correct. We'll be moving on to next statement. Okay, don't do that. It happens, but don't do that. These kind of wrongs. Somebody have written that statement is right, right? How many people choose option statement one as right? No one. And 56th questionல யாருமே statement 1 கரெக்ட்னு போடலையா? ஓகேவா? உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் ஆனா it is a renewable resource. That is it. So these kind of mistakes நீங்க ரிப்பீட்டடா இங்க டெஸ்ட் எழுதும்போது மட்டும்தான் you will be continually doing that mistakes. இப்படி நீங்க இந்த மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ண என்ன நடக்கும்னா உங்களை அறியாமலே உங்களோட மைண்ட் வந்து ரீட் பண்றப்போ ஓகே இதை நம்ம தெளிவா ரீட் பண்ணணுங்கிறது பத்தி. ஸோ கிளாஸ் டெஸ்ட்ல நீங்க ரெகுலரா வந்து படிக்கிறீங்களோ படிக்கலையோ டெஸ்ட் கட்டாயமா வந்து அந்த டெஸ்ட் டைமிங்குள்ள 2 ஹவர்ஸ்ல அட்டன் பண்ணிட்டு போனா மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு அது ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஆகும். இல்லாட்டி அது ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஆகும். சரிங்களா? என்ன ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் யாராவது கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் வாங்கிட்டு வர சொல்லியிருந்தாங்களா? பின்னாடி திரும்பி சிரிக்கிறீங்க. Okay, friends. Next one, 57th question. Which of the following are natural preservatives? Salt, sugar, cloves, oils. All the above. All are natural preservatives. Okay. So preservatives na enna? கெட்டு போகாம இருக்கிறதுக்கு பாதுகாக்கிறது. யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. கருவாடு. ஓகே. ஊறுகாய். எல்லாமே வந்து நீங்க ஒன்ஸ் क्वेश्चन படிக்கிறப்ப அது டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் குள்ள மட்டும் சம்பந்தப்பட்டதுன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். With respect to geographical questions, particularly with respect to UPSC questions, science questions will be related to our day-to-day life. என்னங்க? இல்ல க்ளவுஸ் அது நிறைய இடத்துல கேரளால இடிச்சு அதையும் வந்து பதப்படுத்துறது போவோம். கிராம்பு ஃபுட்ல போட்டா வந்து கேட்டாதான் கிராம்பு இருக்கும். லவங்கம் அது ஓகேங்க. ஒரு சின்ன லீஃப் மாதிரி இது இருக்கும். இதானே? இதான் க்ளோவ். Okay. Friends, Pushkar Fair is an annual multi-day livestock and cultural fair that takes place in which of the following district? Rajasthan. Recently, newsல பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. மெயினா அங்க என்ன அனிமல் ட்ரேட் நடக்கும்? கேமல். ஓகே. ஸோ இப்போ நேற்றுக்கு இந்த நியூஸ்லயும் நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ ட்ரேடர்ஸ் ஆர் கெட்டிங் ரெடி ஃபார் புஷ்கர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேமல் ஓட்டிட்டு ஒரு பெரிய குரூப் ஆஃப் ட்ரேடர்ஸ் போற மாதிரி ஒரு பிக்சர் போட்டுருந்தாங்க. ஓகே. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி பிக்சர்லாம் வரும்போது இமிடியட்லி புஷ்கர் ஃபெஸ்டிவல்னா எந்த ஸ்டேட் அதோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் என்னன்னு சொல்லி மார்க் பண்ணுங்க. அடுத்து தி டேர்ம் அண்டர் எம்ப்ளாய்மெண்ட் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு ஏற்கனவே நம்ம பார்த்தோம். சி இட் இஸ் அ சிச்சுவேஷன் அண்டர் விச் எம்ப்ளாய்டு பீப்புள் ஆர் கான்ட்ரிபியூட்டிங் டு ப்ரொடக்ஷன் less than they are capable of. Okay. Example, all engineering students working as Swiggy delivery boys. Okay, that is an example, classical example of what, friends? Underemployment. Consider the following statements. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. The Central Board of Film Certification is the authority to certify only Indian films. Both are right. Okay. That is why the Central Board of Authority will be, whenever Hollywood films are transformed into Tamil movies, dubbed movies, those dubbed movies will be certified by this body. So in dubbed movies, there will be scene cuts. So reverse osmosis is a water treatment method by forcing untreated water molecules through a semi-permeable membrane. Which of the following components get removed from the water? Which all the components will be getting removed? Easily you can answer, friends. Water under any reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is what, friends? யார் யார் வீட்ல எல்லாம் ஆர்ஓ போட்டிருக்கீங்க? No. Removing carbon dioxide from water is like it is not done over there. அந்த பார்ட்டிகல்ஸ் அதை சுத்தப்படுத்தும், தண்ணி சுத்தப்படுத்தும், அவ்வளவுதான். நீங்க ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் படிச்சாலே வந்து உங்களால வந்து ஆன்சர் பண்ணிட முடியும். ஸோ ரிமூவிங் an air component from a water is not such a easy thing, and that is not done over there. So 1, 2, and 3 are right. Okay. Consider the following statements about Controller General of Accounts. Both the statements are right, friends. CGA works under the Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance. It is the principal accounting advisor to Government of India. '63. Why banks are willing to lend to self-help groups? Okay. Less probability for default. Is it true, friends? When you are giving a group of, when you are funding a group of people, there is a less probability of default. Okay. So because if there is a 10 people over there, each and everyone are responsible for everyone's fund. So default, the matter of default is, probability of default is less over there. Most of the times loan amount is utilized for investment purposes. It is true. Okay. Improve their status as a whole. That is also true. Okay. SHG. All three statements are right. We know about SHG, right? Self-help groups. In an area, if there are some women unemployed, they will be contacting the lead bank or some public sector banks over there in the area. So under SHG, which agency is our SHG self-help group schemes are implemented under which government bank? Which is the no NABARD. Okay. For SHG implementation, it is a scheme under NABARD. NABARD implemented this. Okay. So they will be approaching the bank. If there are 10 women entrepreneurs, and they will be approaching the bank. Some of the women may be needing the tailoring machine, or some will be doing any soap manufacturing or cosmetics manufacturing, and they will be getting a loan, and they will be paying their premium interest according to it. The pH scale used to measure acidity and alkalinity of water solutions is based on concentration of the hydrogen ions. We know that. Which of the following is not acidic? Blood. Blood is not acidic. Everything else are acidic. Okay. Lemon acidic or not? Orange. All citric fruits are acidic. Okay. Consider the following statements regarding Himalayan yew. It is a medicinal plant found at high altitudes of Western Ghats. Himalayas. The name is Himalayan yew, but there is given Western Ghats. Okay. The statement is, most of the time students will be reading it is a medicinal plant found at the high altitudes. They will be going blank. Okay, statement is right. High altitude Himalayan yew medicinal plant. Okay. A chemical compound called Taxol is injected into the bark, needles, twigs, and roots of this tree. No, actually, Taxol is the medicinal compound it contains in Himalayan yew. Taxol is not something injected over that bark. Taxol is the chemical compound. Okay. Taxol is the chemical compound that present in Himalayan yew. Okay. So statement 2 is wrong. Statement 3 is correct, friends. It is used successfully for the treatment of some types of cancer. It is also one of the best selling anti-tuberculotic and anti-hepatitis drugs. It is an anti-tuberculosis, anti-TB drug. It is an anti-TB drug, also used for cancer treatments. Okay, it is an anti-TB. It is used against TB and cancer. That statement is right. It is used against TB and cancer, but it is not proved that it is used against hepatitis. So statement 4 is wrong. According to these statements in the question, 3 only right. 66. Consider the following statements regarding loan activities of the banks. Banks use the smaller portion of the deposits to extend loans. Then how do they will do the business and they will give the knowledge to them? They will be lending larger amount of the deposits. Okay, so statement 1 is not correct. Statement 2, banks make use of the deposits to meet the loan requirements of the people. Correct. Third statement, banks charge a low interest rate on loans than what they offer on deposits. Definitely wrong. Okay. So statement 1 and 3 is wrong. Eighth statement is wrong. Everyone can understand it, right? Anybody having any doubts, friends? Let's look at the third statement. Okay. 67th question. Which of the following factors affects the location of an industry? Raw material, market, labor. Okay. Cotton is an industry. Weight gaining industries, what are weight gaining industries and what are weight losing industries? Weight gaining industries. Weight gaining industries. You might have read it in NCERT. Okay, leave it. Some of the industries are concentrated near to market. Some of the industries are concentrated near to raw material. Okay. Some of the industries will not focus on neither market, neither on the raw material. Tell me, friends, now. Example, sugar, where it is concentrated, sugar industry. Then it will be concentrated near to raw materials because when they are carrying the sugar, okay, quickly they should reach the industries. கரும்பாலைகள் அதெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா இடத்துலயும் செக்ரிகேட் ஆகியிருக்காது. It will be having near to the farmers sugarcane cultivable lands because large long distance transport பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னா கரும்புல இருக்கக்கூடிய அது எவாபரேட் ஆயிடும். ஓகேங்களா? So sugar industries will be concentrated near to raw material. Cotton. எங்க வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். They are concentrated near to the market. எங்க உங்களுக்கு அதிகமான மார்க்கெட் இருக்கு, எங்க எக்ஸ்போர்ட் வேல்யூ இருக்கு, எங்க அதிகப்படியான பில்ஸ் இருக்கு, எங்க இமீடியட்டா அவங்க வந்து அந்த காட்டனை நூலா மாத்தணும்னா அந்த நூலை யார் வாங்கிப்பாங்களோ, who preferably buys that yarns, those industries will be concentrated near to the market, yarn market. Okay, these are all the main difference. Coal is the raw material for iron and steel industries. Will be thermal power plants and iron and steel industries will be placing around near to the coal fields. Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh will be having lot of iron and steel industry. Okay, the reason is the transport of coal is very near to it and they can get the raw material as soon as possible. Okay. Yeah, sugar cane, coal, and all weight gaining. Weight losing industry. Which of the following statements are correct with reference to S400 recently seen in news? What is S400, friends? Prominently in use for the past 1 week, I think so. S400. We are buying it from Russia. It is a missile system. Okay, we are buying it from Russia. Okay. Look at the statement first. It is an indigenously developed air defense missile system. Is it right? No. It has the capability to destroy incoming hostile aircrafts, missiles, and drones at the range up to 4,000 kilometers. Is it right? It is? Yes, 400. It is 400 kilometers, not 4,000 kilometers. Okay? So statement 2 also wrong. It is 400 kilometers. Next is 69th question. Which of the following are the Jainist pilgrimage sites located in Rajasthan? Pavapuri, Dilwara, Ranakpur temples, Sitanavasan. Which one, friends? 69. 2 and 3. 70th question. National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect. Which of the following statements correctly describes the phenomenon of Raman effect? Which one, friends? Refraction of light when it passes from one medium to other, change of wavelength exhibited by some of the radiation scattered in a medium, reflection of the total amount of incident light at the boundary between two media. Change of wavelength exhibited by some of the radiation scattered in a medium. C. Raman effect. Scattering of light. Okay, you should know the keyword with respect to Raman effect. Scattering of light. 71. Consider the following statements with regarding to Quit India movement. It was a leaderless movement. Is it so, friends? Is it a leaderless movement? Quit India movement. Quit India movement. They are finished, right? National movements. Oh. Okay, Quit India. Have they finished non-cooperation movement? Modernist movement. Okay. With respect to national movement, friends, there are three important national movements: non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, and Quit India movement. Non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement, they will be and there will be a leadership over there, because Gandhi will be having that leadership role in non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience. But with respect to Quit India movement, Gandhi will got arrested, and it is mainly noted leaderless. Okay. We will be reading in brief in the upcoming classes. So, with respect to 71st question, first statement is correct. It was also characterized by outbreak of violence. It is also true. The movement got enough support from the outsiders, and that is also right, friends. So, the answer is I think so. Wait a friends. Okay, not correct. It is characterized by outbreak of violence. Okay, 3 only, friends. The movement got enough support from the outsiders. No. Actually, outsiders will not support it. Quit India movement. 3 is not correct, friends. Consider the following statements with respect to National Anti-Doping Agency, NADA. Okay. It is a national organization which is responsible for promoting, monitoring, and coordinating doping control program in sports. Is it right, friends? It was established under Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940. Second statement is wrong. It was registered under Societies Registration Act. It was created under Societies Registration Act. It is not established under Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940. Second statement is wrong. First statement is right. 72. Answer A. '73. Arrange the elements given below in the decreasing order of their weight in composition of Earth crust. Okay, which is the right answer, friends? C. First one is oxygen and silicon, aluminum, and then iron. Which of the following handicraft bagged GI tag from the state of Maharashtra? Which one? So, Punneri Pagadi. 74 answer A. 75 Bandhani, a tie dye art for cloth printing, is dominated in which type of the following states? Actually, it is a tie and dye type. Saris will be made from this. Okay. Bandhani saris. Which state, friends? Bandhani saris. Rajasthan. I think also Maharashtra is also famous for Bandhani saris, but more concentrated in Rajasthan. Which of the following sites in Rajasthan comes under UNESCO World Heritage Sites? Jantar Mandar, Chittorgarh Fort, Ujjiya Fort, and then Kaladio National Park. Kaladio Gana National Park. Option C, friends. Okay. These are all you can answer under elimination only. You can know that fourth option will be there. More often you might have seen it. Fourth and first option. So you will got two options, 1, 2, 4, or all the above. Okay. With reference to traditional folk dance in India, which one of the following is performed by women of Bill tribe? Bill tribe, Goomer. Which state is known for Goomer dance? Super. Rajasthan. Kalbelia. Kalbelia. Not found. Which state? Rajasthan. Tarangamal. Tarangamal. Goa. Tarangamal, Goa. And then Garba, Gujarat. Garba, Gujarat. Next one, friends. 78th question. Program for International Students Assessment. Consider the following statements. It is an international survey conducted by the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD. It is true, friends. First statement is correct. Second statement, it is a competency-based test designed to access the reading, mathematics, and science literacy of 15-year-old students. It is also correct. It will help to introduce competency-based examination reforms in the school system. It is also correct, friends. Actually, when India got not selected for that test earlier, and then after that they demanded for actually India requested in order to participate in PISA, and now they have been allowed to participate in PISA. This is the kind of 3 years current affairs. Okay, regularly it is appearing in current affairs. So with respect to this agency, we can expect questions in upcoming prelims. All the three statements are correct, friends. The World Social Protection Report is released by International Labour Organization, ILO. Basel III norms with respect to banking sector, friends. Super. So which of the following is a Ramsar site, friends? Neora Valley National Park, Simlipal National Park, Gorumara National Park, Bhitarkanika National Park. Option D is the right answer because Brahmani river system, it is a mangrove located at the Brahmani river system, means it is Bhitarkanika only. It is a mangrove site, friends. Mangrove forest. Bhitarkanika is a mangrove forest located at the estuary of Brahmani river. Which of the following microbes can be used as insecticides? Bacteria, fungi, and virus. All the three. Okay. And then Financial Stability and Development Council is a statutory body under Ministry of Finance. FSDC is created on the recommendation of Raghuram Rajan Committee. Actually, second statement is right, friends. It is created under the recommendation of Raghuram Rajan Committee, but it is not a statutory body. FSDC is not a statutory body. Option statement 1 is wrong, 2 is right. So 83, answer B. 84. Consider the following statements. Bond challenge is a global effort to restore deforested and degraded land. It is right, friends. The Leaf Coalition is a public-private effort to protect tropical forests. Both the statements are right, friends. C is the answer. 85. Consider the following statements regarding tuberculosis disease. Multi-drug resistant tuberculosis MDR-TB is a strain that cannot be treated with the most powerful first-line treatment anti-TB drugs. Actually, it is right, friends, because that is why it is called as multi-drug resistant TB. Okay, it will be having a resistance towards the initial level of TB drugs. And then Bacilli calmette-guerin (BCG) vaccine is presently the only vaccine available for the prevention of TB. It is also right, friends. It is the only vaccine available all over the world. It is the only vaccine available against TB. Which year India has set for the elimination of TB? TB elimination year target. 2030 is for WHO. 2025 is India's target year to elimination of TB. Okay. For elimination of TB, India's target year is 2025. At the same time, WHO's target year for elimination of TB is 2030. Eighty-sixth question. Raptors facilitate long-distance seed dispersal, which indirectly increases seed production and pest control. Is it true, friends? Raptors. What are called as raptors? Vultures are a kind of raptors. Eagles are raptors. Okay. They can fly to larger locations. They facilitate long-distance seed dispersal. It is true. And then Raptors Memorandum of Understanding is an agreement under Bonn Convention for the prevention of migratory animals. It is also true, friends. It is mainly for migratory animals. 1 and 2 is right, but it is not a legally binding agreement. It is not a legally binding agreement. Option 1 and 2 are right. Third statement is wrong, friends. 87. Consider the following statements regarding Niti Aayog. It is a constitutional body. Is it right, friends? No. What is this? Non-constitutional statutory body. No, it is not a statutory body. It is a body created under executive action. Okay. It is not a statutory body and also not a constitutional body. It is not either a constitutional or nor a statutory body. Niti Aayog. And Speaker of Lok Sabha is the ex officio member of Niti Aayog. Is it so? Prime Minister is the ex officio chairman. Okay. So chairman of the. Who is the CEO of Niti Aayog, friends? CEO. Who will be the CEO? He will be appointed by Prime Minister only. What? Prime Minister. He will be appointed by Prime Minister. Nobody else is an ex officio CEO of Niti Aayog. It is a post appointed by Prime Minister. Okay. The chairman will be always, Prime Minister will be the chairman of the Niti Aayog. And Niti Aayog is not a statutory body. Okay. Neither a statutory body nor a constitutional body. Which of the following statements are correct, friends? D is answer. 87. Neither one nor two. And then 88. The State Food Safety Index is released by which of the following organization? Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. 89. Ular Lake, the largest freshwater lake in India, has been formed due to super friends, tectonic activity. Then consider the following statements regarding Manda buffalo. They are native to the Western Ghats. Is it right, friends? No, they are native to Eastern Ghats, not Western Ghats. And then they are resistant to parasitic infection and are less prone to diseases. It is right, friends. 2 is right. Consider the following statements regarding Gaudiya Vaishnavism. It is a religious movement inspired by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Right, friends? The focus of Gaudiya Vaishnavism is the devotion of worship of Vithala, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Is it right? Actually, in which state it is known for the Gaudiya Vaishnavism? Which state is known for Gaudiya Vaishnavism? Gaudiya. Gaudiya is a region of which state? It is a region of Bengal. Okay. In West Bengal, it will be known for Gaudiya Vaishnavism. A lot of people are over there. ஆமாம், இல்லை வைஷ்ணவிசத்தில் ஒரு அவங்க ஒரு செக்ட் கிடையாது. கௌடிய வைஷ்ணவிசம் செப்பரேட். அவங்க ஒரு செப்பரேட் கௌடிய வைஷ்ணவிசம். அவங்க ராதா கிருஷ்ணாவை வந்து இனாக்ரேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. They are not Vishnu. They will focus on Gaudiya Vaishnavism is a devotional worship of Radha and Krishna and their many divine incarnations as supreme forms of God, Swamanam, Bhagwan. Okay. First statement is correct. Second statement is wrong because they worship the incarnation of Radha and Krishna, not Vishnu. Blue carbon is the carbon stored in coastal and marine ecosystems. Is it right, friends? First statement. It is correct. Coastal ecosystems sequester and store more carbon per unit area than terrestrial forests. It is also right, friends. Both statements are directly correct. So, which statements are not correct? They have been asked. So, neither one nor two. D is the right answer. 92. So, carbons that are stored in the form of terrestrial plants, that is called as blue carbon. Okay. With reference to the coral mass ejections, consider the following statements. It is the phenomenon of the sun spewing out vast quantities of gas and plasma. It can have a damaging effect on satellites and radio communication networks on Earth. Both are right, friends. Okay. 93. Both statements are correct. 94. The emission of duties or taxes on export product is a fully automated route for input tax credit in goods and services taxes. Second statement, the RODTEP scheme is in compliance with World Trade Organization rules. You might have read it in newspapers under economy news. RODTEP. Both are right. Okay. Both statements are right. 94, answer C. 95. Which of the following is or are the foundings of Chandrayaan-2 orbiter? Detection of argon 40. These type of questions they will be asking from the newspaper only. Okay. With frequent time periods, our ISRO will be releasing what are all the new findings by Chandrayaan-2 missions or any other missions. Okay, you should have the note of it. So all these three findings have been recently set by ISRO as the foundings of Chandrayaan-2 orbiter. Detection of argon 40, detection of chromium and manganese, and reduction of the subsurface water ice. 96. Periodic labor force survey is released by the National Statistical Office NSO. The labor force participation rate is defined as the percentage of employed persons in the population. The quarterly bulletin of PLFS provides unemployment data for urban areas only. Which are all the statements are correct, friends? One and three. Okay. Which of the following are the sources of methanol production? High ash coal, agricultural residue. You know that agricultural residue, methanol production. Okay, in paddy fields, huge amount of methane has been released. Okay, natural gas and municipal waste. Municipal waste you might have seen in news. For methanol production, recently the government is planning for producing a plant over there in near to Chennai outskirts in order to produce methanol from urban municipal waste. Okay, so all the options are right, friends. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which of the following habitat is known for olive ridley turtles? Gagirmada. The moss nesting phenomenon of olive ridley turtles is known as Aribada. Okay, Aribada. Aribada is the phenomenon of mass nesting by olive ridley turtles. Okay. Actually, there is a program, there is an operation named in order to safeguard olive ridley turtles. Anybody remember that operation? Recently it is in news. Recently it is in news. The operation has been started before, I think so, 8-7 years back, but it is continuing from 1980s. It is continuing from the National Coast Guards will be doing that operation in order to safeguard olive ridley turtles. Operation Olivia. Operation Olivia. Okay. Ninth question. The coastal strip south of Goa along the western coast is referred to as Konkan coast. Which of the following is the highest peak in Eastern Ghats, friends? Mahendragiri. Okay, friends. Okay. Thank you, friends. Online students, thank you.
Pechi IAS Study Circle, the best academy for competitive examination.